fam, welcome to Lady Cleo's Food Hospital, a channel for intentional eaters within means. Today we are preparing a flavorful meal called Ukwa, the African breadfruit, in porridge form. Now let's get started. First, sort your breadfruit and ensure that it has no stones. This is because ukwa in the course of harvest is usually cut open on a bare floor and later dried on a surface which can pick up stones. It will not be good for your health if you eat stones. Secondly, wash thoroughly with salt, and if you're using salt as a softener, put a clean water into your pot and boil with salt. Then add the breadfruit and allow to cook. But for this video, I used untu, which you would get to know. Untu is a palm ash, which you would get to know about in our subsequent videos. So turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a video, and do well to subscribe. So I put the clean ukwa into a pot with water, not so much, then added a reasonable quantity of untu, that's the palm ash, and left to boil. This is because ukwa is usually very hard to get soft, so you will need a softener for it. After a while, check the texture of the ukwa. If it has become a little bit soft, add your seasoning cubes. I love to mix cubes, but for this video, I used beef and stew seasoning mixed cubes. Then add your pepper, any type of your choice. For this video, I used Cameroon pepper that is already blended. Then next, add your blended or pounded crayfish. Crayfish is gotten from fresh water, belonging to the crustacean family. It is a category of seafood rich in vitamin B, copper, selenium, protein, iron, zinc, and amino acids. It helps to promote body metabolism and cell regeneration. Next, add your palm oil. Palm oil is made from palm nuts, called akwu in Igbo language, high in antioxidants such as vitamin E, which protects cells from damage from free radicals and minimizes age-related diseases. It equally improves heart health. Meanwhile, palm oil can interact with some medications, so please listen to your doctor if you're asked to stay off the oil. By this time, our breadfruit is becoming softer due to the palm ash. Add your salt to taste and cover and leave it to cook. Some people just cook with salt and serve with the drained water, which is still okay as it has rich constituents without more. That one is plain, served with its water. While what we are cooking today is the porridge form. Next, add your bitter leaf or scent leaf, but I added scent leaf. Scent leaf is also known as clove basil, which is rich in vitamin A and promotes good eyesight. It improves heart function, aids digestion, and both. I use the White House a lot whenever I eat this particular leaf. It equally lowers the blood sugar. However, there are people whom for medical reasons should avoid scent leaf, so consult with your doctor before adding this leaf to your meal. Aside from this, enjoy your meal. Stir the leaf with the boiled ukwa. To combine, equally add a little bit of crayfish. Cover and leave the ingredients to simmer for a while. Then our food is ready. Oh my God!